inviting the civil society also to talk about the rights of police officers. Now, we head to the Meru County, where the 92nd edition of the Agriculture and Music Festival will take place in Meru County from today, 23rd November to the 30th. The 7-day event, which will bring together all the 47 county, aims to promote Kenyan culture and music with over 30,000 participants expected to attend. We're now joined by our reporter, George Maringa, live from Meru County for this on more on this when it comes to the festival. And Maringa, good morning. 30,000 people expected to participate during this festival for the next 7 days. What do we expect, and what are the preparations so far?
Good morning, Brenda. And indeed, Meru County has been quite lucky in hosting national events, starting with the 55th Madaraka Day celebrations in June this year. It also hosted the World or International Elephant Day in August. And now this is the 92nd edition of the Music and Cultural Festival, which brings together all the 47 counties with, as you have said, over 30,000 participants. You actually told us this morning that over 40,000 are actually expected to attend. And before we go to the brief interviews, I'd like to take you around and come with me. There is on to my left, you will see there are the various exhibitions, of traditional or cultural outfits, if you could call them, custom outfits made from African fabric and Kenyan fabric, to be specific, also made by Kenyan designers. Also towards further left there, as you can see, there is that group that is wearing or is adorned in traditional, outfits, made from sisal and, a few ornaments here and there, lassos, and, also adorned in Kenyan colors, and a few choirs there, just practicing and just briefing themselves, because this is a festival which will emerge, or from which several winners will emerge here in Meru County. And now we will be speaking to a few of them to just give us a brief of what they expect to to transpire here. And the briefing just happened earlier today, or earlier this morning before we went on air, and they are just quite outside each group trying to prepare itself and to see how they can make sure they win in this contest. And I'm joined by one of the participants, and who will tell us more about this. And on News You're Live. Could you first tell us your name and which county and group you're representing?
Okay, my name is Lamek Kadorima from Meru County. I'm one of the performers, the artists from Meru, whereby today we are so happy, we are so grand to have all the performers in Meru County, whereby we are going to compete. Every community will be here presenting, showing us what they have, the dances, the songs, the narratives from every corner of the country.
And so what is your group presenting? Is it a song, a folk dance, a folk song?
Yeah, my group, we have all the classes, we have the songs, we have the set pieces, the cultural dances, and also the folk songs. Yeah.
Have you participated in the 91st festival, because this is the 92nd? Did you participate in the previous music and cultural festival?
Yes, you've been performing last year. You were at Kakamega. And I managed to get at least 3 trophies from 3 different classes. Yeah.
Absolutely, congratulations. And do you intend to gain trophies, or will you intend to top now that it is being held in your home county?
Of course, yes. And I know I'm going to get at least not more than 1. Not less than 1, that is, yeah.
Thank you very much. And right here, Brenda, if you could come, we could show you someone who is actually sitting on some stool here, and we are told it's actually for performing a folk song, an Isukuti folk song and folk dance. And we will be speaking to the performers to just tell us more on this stool, what it is about, and, what they expect to show to the judges and to the various participants and Kenyans as well who will be attending this competition. Asante sana kwa kuungana nasi. Tuambie jina lako.
Majina zangu ni Christine Shasha. Natoka katika kikundi cha Matende Isukuti Dancers. Tumetoka Western. Tarajio langu leo tunataka tuchukue vikombe zote turudishe Western. Mimi kuna vitu vingi venye tunafanya katika kikundi chetu. Kuna narratives, kuna folk song, kuna dances na mashairi pia tunaenda kufanya siku ya leo.
So kama hii stool ama hii 3-legged stool inatumika kufanya nini?
Hii stool tukiimba ile folk song yetu ya Kiluya, wanatumia hiyo stool, na pia kuna bokora na kuna mavazi special yenye watavalia kama ya culture ya watu wa Luya.
Na mnatarajia kuwa win trophies kama ngapi hivi kwa kategori zote?
Sisi tuko na roho sahi Kakamega County, tunabeba trophy zote tuziregeshe Kakamega.
Na ujumbe wenu kama mnavyo perform zile set piece, zile folk songs, zile folk dance, zile shairi, ujumbe wenu ni upi? Ni amani ama ni upendo ama ni umoja?
Sisi zile folk song tunaimba ule ujumbe ambao mashairi tunakairi ama tunasema tuna amani na tunajaribu kuleta amani katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Ndio.
Asante. I will speak to one more lady here who is also from the Isukuti dancers to just tell us more. Atuambie jina lako madam.
Kwa majina naitwa Daisy Atuka kutoka Kakamega County. Mimi ni mchezaji wa Isukuti, folk song, mashairi, whatever. Yeah.
Na unatarajia kuwa mtashinda trophies ama unatarajia ushindi?
Ndio ushindi wenyewe, tupeleke trophy zote. Mpaka tukue na bidii tena tuchukue. Yeah.
Ujumbe wenu mwenyezangu kama umesema ni amani, lakini wewe kama Mkenya ni furaha gani unayopata kutokana na hizi festival performances?
Furaha yote ninayo, serikali yetu imetuinua, tuko sawa. Yeah.
Asante sana. Brenda, those are just some of the participants and performers of the 92nd Cultural and Music Festival here in Meru County. And as you can see now, I'm also adorned in a custom Kenyan outfit just to be part of this and to also feel Kenyan. And this festival will bring together, as you have mentioned, over 40,000 participants to just celebrate Kenyan heritage, music and culture in various aspects, be it in music, dance, poems and shairis, both in Kiswahili, English and in vernacular languages. For now, I'll hand back to you in studio, and you are following up on this event that is happening in Meru County. Back to you in studio.
Moringa, just from your drive there, you're saying enjoy yourself as you attend the cultural festival in Meru County. Yeah, so, and of course, I know that with all the different exhibitions that are there, you're also going to learn a lot apart from just, telling us what is happening there.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much, Moringa. Enjoy yourself even as you bring us up to date with what's happening in Meru County. All the best. Now, the Central Organization of Trade Unions and Dialogue Reference Group are agreed on the need to create the position of the Prime Minister and two deputies, but split on whether the country should retain the current presidential system or adopt parliamentary system. The two organizations are sharply divided on the place of the